Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan again here in Bundaberg with another 33 1/3 record. Going to do something a tad different. I've got a little bit of black paint left in there, so I'm going to just pour in some white, some of this other weak white, and some nice red. Then I'm going to try, probably should have done it in a paper cup so I could get a pouring spout, but I just would like to try and get some stripes going here or something. I already had some black paint on the record as a base coat. There's silicone in the red and the white, but not in the black. Come on, out you come, black. I have another knife here somewhere. I'll use this knife. And I also have some black and white in this cup, which I can pour on. And I'd say a tad more red. Right, now I'm going to give it a little tilt around. These are my Christmas presents, or they're going to be, for family members. So I'm thinking I might have to do a purple one. Well, I've already done one purple, but I'll do another. Over you go. And then back. Bring that black and white down a little bit to about there. Bring it back to the centre. Evens up the pattern a little bit, and I think that's quite pretty. And I'm just going to give this one a little torch, see if I've got any cells. Where is my torch? There it is. A few little cells, not many, but oh yes, there's more than I thought. But I did get rid of a lot of air bubbles, which is really, really good. This is really quite pretty. So the recipe for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below show more, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell to be notified when I put up more videos. How pretty is this? Really is nice. Going to make a lovely clock. Once I get them all dried and I've got them all together, I'll make a video on how I've put the clock parts on, and I'll show you all the finished ones. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one, eh?